Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to remove the security message in Messenger that says, "Message upgraded the security of this chat." New message and call are secured with end-to-end encryption. Learn more. This message appears when Messenger switches your conversation into encrypted chat. End-to-end encryption is a privacy feature that protects your message, but the notification can sometimes stay at the top of the chat and be distracting. To remove or hide this message, open the Messenger app and go to the chat where the notice appears. In my case, it appears in this chat. In most cases, simply scrolling up or interacting with newer message will push the notification upward until it disappears from the view. Another way to remove it is by going to the settings, click on the three dot and go to settings. Scroll down until you find the option called privacy and safety. Go to end-to-end encrypted chats and go to message storage. As this is my new account, there will not be a clear data or clear history option. But if your account is old or you use it regularly, you will see an option called delete data. Just click on delete data. Go back, go to security alerts. Click on manage security alerts and just toggle off your device or key change. Go back again. You go to view all logins and you can see the device that are logged in with your Messenger or Facebook account. If you want to remove any of these, you can just simply click on logout to log out the ID from that device. Go back once again and go to previews. Toggle off the show preview. If the message still remains, try closing the app completely and reopening it. Sometimes the notice stays temporarily after the encryption is activated, but it will automatically disappear once the chat refreshes. Sometimes the version of Messenger you are using requires encryption in that conversation, and the message will clear on its own after some time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.